Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with the Cap. Today we will discuss Chapter 9 Teddy Bear from Art and Activity Skill Book. Take out your white and green color book. Take out it fast. Now, first of all, tell me, what is this? This is teddy bear. This is teddy bear. All of you have teddy bear now? Yes? Me also. All of you have teddy bear? Okay. And this is so cute. This is so cute now. Okay. Now take out your crayons. Fill colors in the teddy bear as shown. Take out your red color. Take out your red color. Take out your red color fast. And start coloring with me. And fill the gaps. Don't leave the gaps, okay? Fill the gaps. Fill the gaps. Do it. Now it's turn of this. Color it neatly. Color it neatly. And this. Fill the gaps, Peter. Fill the gaps. And do it neatly and properly. Neatly and properly. Now again redden this. Complete it. Slowly, slowly up and down or zigzag. With freely hands. Yes. And fill the gaps. Complete it fast. Now we have to take yellow color. Take out your yellow color and start doing with me. Yellow color in this. In this. And in this. Take out your yellow color. Two with me. Zigzag up and down. Left, right. Complete it fast. What is this? This is teddy bear. I hope you all enjoyed. Happy learning. See you soon in the next class. Bye-bye.